Hi everyone, Jory here, and for today's video, we're going to talk about how Apple is reportedly allowing purchases of NFTs in its App Store Marketplace, but with a very big catch. Before we dive into that, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto and NFT news if you haven't already. So, a report from the tech outlet The Information says that Apple is recording NFT sellers on its mobile marketplace to use the App Store's in-app payment functionality, which charges a 30% commission. That's significantly higher than the standard commission on the popular NFT marketplace OpenSea, which is around 2.5% of the sale price. And Apple's in-app payment system requires users to pay with fiat currency instead of crypto. Reporter Aidan Ryan says in a tweet that many startups are limiting functionality within their app to avoid the 30% fee. Tech blogger Florina Mueller called Apple's app tax on NFT sales abusive but consistent, while Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney tweeted that Apple is crushing another nascent technology that could rival its grotesquely overpriced in-app payment service. The report also noted that popular Solana NFT market Magic Eden withdrew its service from the App Store after learning of the policy, even after Apple offered to lower its commission to 15%. Meanwhile, as previously stated, other NFT marketplaces on the App Store have reportedly limited functionality due to the hefty commissions. There's also the added challenge of being forced to conduct transactions in United States dollars rather than cryptocurrency, which could prove risky given the volatility of cryptocurrency markets. Others have seen the positive side of Apple's NFT acceptance, such as Gabriel Layden, CEO of Web3 game developer Limit Break, said that the move could put an Ethereum wallet in every single mobile game onboarding 1 billion plus players, adding he would happily give Apple a 30% cut of a free NFT. It's not the first time companies have battled with Apple regarding its commissions. Epic Games have filed legal proceedings after its flagship game Fortnite was delisted from the App Store in August of 2020 after the publisher attempted to sell in-game purchases which skirted Apple's fees. NFT Marketplace apps on the App Store currently include OpenSea, Rarible, and marketplaces and crypto trading apps include Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase Wallet. And that is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed that one, and if you did, please give us a like and a comment. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye!